Hello everyone, welcome to this short video on an important legal case under the Sales of Goods Act. Today, we will be exploring the case of Chemrow India Pvt Ltd vs. Lakhani Footcare Pvt Ltd, a dispute highlighting crucial aspects of commercial transactions and contractual obligations. This video is brought to you by Group 14 led by Monica Sedana and team. Let's dive into the key details and understand its impact. Talking about the case, this case revolves around a commercial dispute concerning the breach of contractual obligations in a business transaction. It raises significant questions about seller and buyer rights under the Sales of Goods Act and highlights the legal implications of non-compliance with agreed terms. This case features Chemrow India Pvt Ltd as the claimant, asserting contractual violations under the Sales of Goods Act, while Lakhani Footcare Pvt Ltd, the respondent, defends its position based on legal provisions. Now moving on to the courtroom. In the courtroom, Chemrow India Pvt Ltd argued that Lakhani Footcare Pvt Ltd failed to fulfill contractual obligations, leading to financial losses. The representatives highlighted discrepancies in product quality and delivery timelines, citing key provisions of the Sales of Goods Act. On the other hand, Lakhani Footcare Pvt Ltd contended that the alleged breaches were baseless, emphasizing compliance with agreed terms and conditions. Both sides presented supporting evidence, including contracts, invoices, and communication records. The legal counsels engaged in intense deliberation, analyzing the applicability of statutory provisions and precedent cases to support their claims. The court carefully examined the arguments before arriving at its judgment. After hearing from both the sides, the Supreme Court thoroughly examined the arguments from both parties. They ruled in the favor of Chemrow India Pvt Ltd. The court determined that Lakhani Footcare Pvt Ltd had indeed breached the contract by failing to meet the agreed quality and delivery standards. Citing the provisions of the Sales of Goods Act, the judgment emphasized the importance of adherence to contractual terms in business transactions. The ruling reinforced that sellers must ensure product quality aligns with the specifications agreed upon. Additionally, the court ordered Lakhani Footcare to compensate Chemrow India for the financial losses incurred due to the breach. This decision set a significant precedent, underscoring the necessity of contractual compliance in commercial dealings. In conclusion, we would like to say that the case reinforces accountability in business contracts, ensuring legal consequences for breaches and setting a strong precedent. Thanks for staying.